Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this squishy icosahedron. It takes 120 magnets to make. So to start, you want 20 rings of 6 magnets. I've got 15 here because 5 I'm going to be using later. So you want to take them all, lay them down, just like this, one at a time. And from here, you want to start by pinching them into triangles, just like this. And do that for 5 to begin with. When you've got 5 like here, you want to just connect them like this, and then fold it over to get this pentagon. And you want to just check, alright, so these mesh together. So I want to flip this one around. So I just break it apart and wrap it back the other way. And so now if I try and connect these, you'll see that they link together like that. Then we can put these off to the side and continue with the next 10 rings. Again, just pinching 3 magnets into the center to form a triangle. And from here, you want to connect them like this. There's 3, and then you want to make it nearly like a zigzag. Up, down, in a line like this. So from here, you can take this, hold it, grab one of these pieces from earlier, and just make sure that they connect right. So you can see here that that's how we want them to connect. And then you can wrap it all the way around, making sure they all connect nicely. Take your second cap and just place him on top. And that's him done. Now if you connect the pentagonal faces here, you can build these up together. And then you can put another one right here. Just like that. And you could build him up quite tall. There's just 4 of them for now. So that's him done.